Welcome, thank you for joining us on the Pete Beekeeping channel. We are doing inspections today. All looking good so far. We are on colony number 2, which is actually the 4th hive in the apiary. And so we are going to have a quick look inside, see what we've got. So what we've got is bees coming and going. I did see a wasp trying to get in, but it got completely and utterly chewed up by bees. That's fine. There's no wasps on the floor that I can see. In fact, there is one. It's rather unhappy with the bees there. Was one. There is no more. So it's all good. And what I did last week was actually I chucked this empty Deep National on it. It's just got foundation in it. It was actually a bait hive with a comb in it. So that's all good. So plenty there. But bees are certainly nice and active in here. Coming in well. Right, let's see what we've got in terms of the actual inspection. Right. So this colony was doing bumper well. It started off with a couple of frames from hive 1. Oh good, the rain is upon us. Right, so just some bees on this piece of comb here, whatever this might be. A random piece of comb. It is just a hideous piece of comb. Why is that in there? That is instantly coming out. It's very good. I don't need that one. Right, it goes in the melting pot. Right, so let's go 1, 2, we'll resize 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 kind of visually spaced as best as possible, but they've got space to go into if they want to choose to use it. No queen excluder, they can come up 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 frames of bees, I'm going to say in this instance, because they are jam packed. Totally jam packed. Okay, so that's drying out okay. Sticking stores in that. I think these girls are kind of becoming winter ready. That's kind of yummy comb, but they are fixing it slowly. Queenie in this colony is marked as well. Let's just make sure we're checking for disease and queen cells ready. Okay, that's a decent weight on that. Okay, they've stacked that totally full of stores all the way through. Other side, stores all the way through as well. Certainly a good start. It's probably a good couple of pounds of honey on there for them for the winter. There's a wasp. Nope, not going to get it. Right, other side, looking good. So that's had brood throughout it. And actually, it's on its next lot of brood, C-shaped larvae, all the way through, eggs down the bottom there. That's all nice. Other side here, brood cycle has all emerged and it's laid up, C-shaped larvae over here. Tiny C-shaped larvae, you'll be able to see them. I'll do a little zoom in if necessary. Good, there's Queenie, smack in the middle. She's doing well. She's probably looking for a slot to lay in. But yeah, there are eggs throughout this whole thing, so she is doing super well. Let's check the next frames. This is what frame number 5, so the middle of the box now. Girlies, come on out of the way. Try not to squash anyone, that's the point. Oh, look at that. That is like end-to-end brood. That, I think, is going to be, might even be the thumbnail. As soon as I shake all these bees off, it's going to be really exciting. In fact, I'll come back to that one. It's new comb, drawn up, loads of bees in it. And that's great. That's what we want to see, guys. I certainly think they've got the numbers for winter. They just need to create the stores for winter now. So we've got Rose Bay, we've got a bit of blackberry, Rose Bay is out, and we've got the ivy coming up. Shed tons of ivy around here, so plenty of flowering ivy on this side. Again, C-shaped larvae throughout, so she is still in full production. I mean, despite me chucking a box on top just to give them a bit of space if they want it, I don't think they're going to probably use it, but I guess if they draw parts of it, that'll be alright. Don't mind too much there. Uh-oh. Why is there a supersedure cell in the middle of the frame, girlies? I mean, yeah, they are. Yeah, eggs throughout. What is that? Why? She's doing so well. She's new this year. I mean, it's empty. It's an empty supersedure cell, but why? I mean, she's laying to the max. And as I said, she came from a couple of frames from colony number 1 this year. A lovely brood there. It's all good. Can't see any eggs. This is all just emerged. It's kind of towards the outside, so it doesn't surprise me if she's stopped laying up that side. See what we can find over here. No, nothing. They're putting stores in here now. Okay, so maybe they're reducing the actual brood size now. There are quite a lot of bees there, didn't need to. This is all good. I mean, there's no eggs or anything here, there's lots of pollen. There's no brood, so I think they are reducing that brood nest down. Yeah, stores on this side. So a fair amount of drones in here, girlies. Need to kind of tidy those up a bit. I know it's only July, but mid-July. But everyone else is doing it. I'm not saying that you should follow trend, but it might be worth it. Didn't squash it. Try again. Okay. Over. It's a great colony. They're doing super well. Really pleased with the fact that 2 frames of brood they're out. They're out to pretty much the entire thing now. Puts them in a great place for winter. Come back over. Oops, can't cover them back over now because what we have on top. Just one big empty bit the space they can fill it if they want to fill it. And if they don't, then they don't. Right, that's all good. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please do comment, rate, subscribe, like, share, and I will see you on the next inspection. Thank you.